All right, the Hoover Dam, where you see them light hills in front of us, and you see that mountain range is dark, it's right down in between there. And as I said, we're slowly going down the incline right now. So I gotta use my Jake brake. It's going on down close to the dam. We may be able to see a little bit, I don't know. Still going down. See, about 35 miles from Vegas. Hoover Dam's 5. See the road way up there, cars moving on it. That's where we'll be going. Should be coming on now because Kingman Wash access road is right at it. We're trying to slow down so I can catch it. It's right down there. Down where that bridge is, I think. Okay, well it says I got to get in the left lane because Hoover Dam is right down here. Let's see if I can catch it. If I can get a picture of it some way or another. One day I'll actually stop and visit this place.
Speed warning.
Slow way down. Like I said, I can't guarantee if we'll see anything or not, but I'm going to try to get down there where I can see. See if I can get over there. Oh, it's the next one. Yeah, it's right over there on the other side of the mountain, right over here. Alright, let's see what we can see. This is the visitor center. Alright, now here's where we're going to go ahead and we're going to get over and look. Let's see if we can get over here and I can slow down. Alright, look over here to there. There's the Hoover Dam down there. Can't see much of it.
Crossing border, entering Nevada.
Alright, we're coming in Nevada now.